Welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In this video, I will be taking you through on how to create offers on the platform. This video is solely for our brokers or intending brokers. So we have two ways on how to go about it. The first is the P2P balance card or field. But you can still access the same thing here under P2P trades. Then you click create offer. Either ways, you'll be navigated to this page where you create either a buy or a sell USD offer. So for this video, I'll be showing us how to create a buy USD offer. The step 1, start creating your offer by selecting the currency you want to trade, specifying whether you're buying or selling, and selecting your preferred payment method. Right? So this is currency I want to be paid with. I'll be choosing Naira, but we have other currencies on the platform, guys. So you have to go through or use the search bar and you can select the currency that you want to be paid with. Then for my payment method, we have different options of payment method, but I'll be going with bank transfer. Then my country, we have different countries too on BananaCrystal platform. Then you select your bank account. There is a video on our FAQ page to guide you on how to add your bank account, or you can click on the add account and follow the prompt. But still, check our FAQ for the guide video on how to add bank details to your platform. The next step is to choose your preferred rate. So we have the market price and we have the fixed price. Automatically the page is fixed on the market price, but if you want a fixed price and a fixed rate, that's up to you. Then the next step is to set the amount you want to buy. Let's say for USD. Then you set your limit per transaction for this buy offer. Then the next step is to set your price per USD for this offer. So we have two options for this. The first option is the custom field, where you insert the exact amount you want to sell, and it can be below or above the market price. Alright. Option 2 is to use the margin stepper. So set your margin above or below the market price. On BananaCrystal, the margin is fixed for 5%, but you can go above or below. Okay, the market price is 1,600, and I'm making 3.77% profit on every trade. So I have a difference of 62 Naira on the current market price. So if this is not clear to you, please don't fret, alright? Check our FAQ section on how to set your margin. Let's go to the next step. Then here you add your offer tags. No negotiation. Next, add your offer name. You can choose to use the automated offer name, or you can change it to something that suits you better. Next is your offer terms. Anybody who views your offer will see these terms, so keep them simple and clear. Reliable and fast transaction. Then you click on submit. Then you get the success message that says offer created successfully. Then check the sell USD trade page to see your offer in real time. And you've successfully created a sell USD offer on BananaCrystal platform. Thanks for watching. Bye.